we start with a guiding principle that no 2 feet are the same. In the world of custom orthotics, this has never been done before. So here's how it works. A guest comes into your store, gets their foot scanned with Aetrex's patented Albert technology, which contains 5,000 gold-plated sensors, 18 different cameras, and 960 LEDs and receptors. The scan data is received containing 256 various degrees of pressure, which get translated into a complex pressure map. It is then converted into a 3-dimensional CAD model, incorporating various geometries that match precisely to the customer's scan and foot. Aetrex offers the first and only custom 3D printed orthotic, applying comprehensive data to your unique foot. With the launch of this product, Aetrex offers the most accurate custom orthotic available.
EOS is the global market leader in industrial 3D printing. We are known for providing state-of-the-art, repeatable production technology and pushing the limits of digital manufacturing. So it's a pressure map image that we receive from Aetrex out of the Albert scanner. When we receive the file, each one of those different colors and each one of those different squares represents a different pressure underneath the foot of the person that got their foot scanned. So we look at each one of those, and depending on the location of the pressure in the foot, we assign a specific geometry that's been engineered to relieve that pressure. So we're able to take 2-dimensional pressure data and automatically convert that into a 3-dimensional file. That CAD file is then sliced into many layers and then sent to the printer. The difference between additive and conventional manufacturing processes are how the actual process works. So with a conventional process, you start with some sort of substrate and you mill it down or you machine it down. And with additive, you actually start from the 3-dimensional CAD file and you build it from the ground up. The benefits for additive manufacturing are that you have freedom of design. Another big benefit is the reduction of waste. So in this particular process with Aetrex, the material is completely recyclable and gets incorporated back into the process.
Other companies are taking incomplete data or a simple photo and essentially building a shell or a form. Incomplete data means incomplete product. Everybody has hundreds of points of pressure in their feet. Our goal is to offset the pressure, alleviate the pain, bring the ground up to your foot, and put the body back into its best alignment possible. The Aetrex 3D orthotic prints at our facility and ships within days of the scanning process. So scan, print, ship. The benefits to you: no risk, no inventory, no carrying costs, no seasonality, enhanced margin, and price stability.